Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. So sometimes when you connect your Wi-Fi and it says no internet access, so I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wi-Fi with a very speed network. So first of all, you have to go to your Wi-Fi. So when you want to go to your Wi-Fi, go to your menu, and after that click on settings. So when you click on settings, then you go to Wi-Fi. So when you get here, what you have to go is to go to Wi-Fi. You can search it over here. Just type in your Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi, and search for it, and you're going to see your Wi-Fi. Do you get me? So other phones to have network. So when you click on network, you're going to see Wi-Fi over here. But with my phone, this is Wi-Fi. So let's click on it. So when you click on it, you're going to see this. So let's turn it on. And it's searching. So guys, let's wait. Okay, so as you can see over here, there's a certain Wi-Fi over here. So click on it like this. And with Wi-Fi, we have two ways to solve this problem. I'm going to teach you two solutions. So one, just tap on it like this, then you click on, when you click on it like this, then you click on forget password. You get me? So when you click on the forget password, it will be like this. So when it becomes like this, just click on it again, then type in your password, and after that then connect it. So after connecting it, you see that it will be connected. You get me? So this is the first solution. I'm going to teach you the second solution, but before I start, please subscribe to this channel, like my video, and also share this video to your friend. If you have any question, just comment down below and I'm going to reply you. So with the second method, what you have to do is to just click on the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. When you click on it, what you have to do is to go to advanced options. So when you click on advanced options, just leave the thread like that, and also proxy, leave it like that. It needs to be on none. IP settings too, you have to click on it, then you remove your IP settings from DHCP to static. So when you click on the static, what you have to do is you are going to see privacy. Just leave it like that. You have to be on default. IP address, you have to type in this IP address over here. You get me? And when you type in the IP address, what you have to do is to leave the last three digits. You get me? So that's how it is. As you can see over here, this is my IP address. So what you have to do is to just type it and ignore the three. So let's type it. Okay, so then add, just type it the way it was. You get me? Okay. Then after that, you type in maybe any three digit or any two digits, like any digit, then you add it to it. After that, you are done. Then you click on then you wait. Then with a gateway, just leave it like that. With a network prefix length, leave it like that. With a DNS1, you have to put in 8. What you have to do is to put in 8.8.4.4. Do you get me? After that, then you click on your connect, and it's going to connect, and your Wi-Fi is going to work as the way you want it to work. It's going to speed up. Do you get me? So this is how to fix internet. Or so guys, this is how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access. Do you get me? So if you're finding problem to this is what you have to do. Do you get me? Yeah. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I know this video has really helped you. without wasting much time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Do you get me? Yeah. So you can share this video to your friends on social media. I mean, yeah, like you can share to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, on any platform that you feel like sharing to. Do you get me? Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.